Today we're going to be talking about the Falco Chaser Boots. So let's get straight into it. It's not often we talk about Falco, but I think we should start to, considering that these boots have been out for 3 years, but it looks fresh off the press in 2025. Now, these boots are Italian made. The stylings they have from the different variants of boots produced by Falco are top notch. The reason why we're only starting to do it today is because we've had it on a massive deal. So normally they retail at $209.99 RRP for the Chaser 2, for the Chaser boots themselves, but the Chaser 2 waterproofs are a bit higher. Both variants now though on our website are retailing at $139.99 RRP. Now the reason behind that is because it's down to what your preference is and the type of boot that you want. This is water repellent, whereas the Chaser 2 waterproofs are fully waterproof. That basically means that if you want something more vented, you go for this one. If you want something that's fully waterproof and don't have as hot running feet, let's say, you can go for the Chaser 2 waterproofs. Now, the size range for these start from EU 41 up to 47, which roughly translates to around a size 7 to a 12.5. For me, I'll be a 41 and a 7, and it fits true to size. Now, for the construction of the boot, let's start off with the actual rating, something that they don't actually boast about on the website or even on our website. That needs to change because it's a CE rating of, guess, 2222, which basically means it actually hits the higher level of safety testing than the average sort of urban boot that you might encounter. That means it reaches the height, it also reaches the abrasion resistance, it reaches the transverse rigidity as well as the impact cut. Not in that order, of course. So what does that actually mean for us? It means that we're getting a really flexible, comfortable boot in an urban styling instead of having to go for something that's a full-on track boot or an adventure boot. I've said boot a lot of times there. For the actual construction itself, you have a mixed synthetic leather on the upper. It's got mesh paneling all around. It's perforated for that breathability. It's water resistant or water repellent rather than waterproof. That's why there's a Chaser 2 variant being a waterproof version. It's a High-Tex membrane, so it actually stops some of that water from progressing into the boot. But of course, I would always suggest that if you're going to go for something for all seasons, go for the Chaser 2. Moving on to the color options you can get for the boot, this is the only one you can get, which is an all black finish. I don't think it's half bad, it's a safe bet. It really fits the aesthetic of the Falco Chaser boots. Now, when it comes to the fit, when taking it on and off, you have this Velcro closure system to cover up the YKK zip. Open it up for an easy access to get your foot in and out of the boot. You can also cinch it down with the laces, obviously to your choosing. And then when you finish your ride or you're about to jump onto your bike, it makes it a more pleasant experience so you don't have to worry about lacing it up. For the cut of the boot, it has a slight indentation there to make it a more comfortable feel on your leg. Now, even though this is a quadruple 2 rating, out of the box, it's a very comfortable urban boot that actually rivals normal boots that you wouldn't even wear on a motorcycle. Anyways, it's all well and good me yapping at you through this screen, but I would highly suggest actually coming down to one of our 16 UK stores to try them on for yourself. They're really comfy, they have a really high rating, and I'm about to go to the till to purchase some for myself. If you did like this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to comment below your opinions on the boot. Be sure to subscribe, ride safe, and we'll see you all soon. They think I'm kidding. I'm going now to buy some. That is what I'm doing.